hiccup. I see. Then came another one, quick as a tick. Let's count them all, said the jungle crew. So they counted every hiccup. 1, 2. Hic, hic, hic. Count along. Hippo's hiccups can't last long. Hic, hic, hic. What a sound. Let's count those hiccups all around. 3 little hiccups, then came 4, 5 and 6. Oh no, there's more! 7, 8, and then came 9, 10 hiccups total.
I'm just fine!
Hic, 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 what a ride! Hippo hiccups side to side. Hic, 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 let's count again. Backwards now from 10 to 1, my friend. 10, 9, 8, and then came 7, 6, 5, 4, they're nearly leaving. 3, 2, 1, a big sigh too. Hippo smiled, I'm all through. No more hiccups, time for play. Hippo danced the hiccups away. Count it up and down with you. Now give a cheer, woo-hoo!
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit that subscribers button, like, and share this video to help my channel grow.